Hello everyone, I hope your day is going good. Today I'm going to just talk about how I got from that $3,300 to $3,500 to the nearly $10,000 that of assets that I have today. So, I had originally started with trading stocks, and that's what I mainly focus on still. So, I started off swing trading stocks. I spent probably a couple hundred hours from, I'd say, February 2018 to November 2018, watching videos, probably 30, 45 minutes worth of videos every single day. Some days it'd be an entire hour worth of videos. So there was definitely a lot of watching YouTube in there to learn about stocks and how to be good at trading stocks. And I think that's what it takes. It takes being dedicated and going out and learning. And so I started out with swing trading because that seemed to be the most profitable way. When I had been looking into stocks, because long-term investing, you can try and get 10, 20, 30% yearly, whereas with swing trading, you can get 10% every couple months. It's definitely a lot more profitable if you're good at swing trading, you have the experience, and you've done the research. So start out with swing trading. Talked about this in the last video a little bit, but I had about, I'd say, 4 or 5 separate swing trades for the end of 2018, and I came in with a profit of about 5% on $3,300. So it was like $160 profit, 150 maybe. My final 2 to 3 months of 2018, and that's when the markets was going down. The markets were going down, and that's when I started with stock trading, swing trading. So that was really big because I learned how to make money when the markets weren't making anyone money, except for shorts and swing traders. So in a year, the market was down like, I don't know, 15%. I made about 5% in 2 months. So that was really good. I was happy with that. I even made money on the day that the markets bottomed out and they hit their final low. I was more of a day trade. I day traded Amazon stock. I made like $40 profit or something like that. And so the next thing I did was I swing traded in January, and I took most of February off from stock trading. And then come March, I heard about this really cool company, Tesla. So it's March 2019, and that's when I bought into Tesla. It was about a $290 cost basis. So right now the estimated average is like $800 and something dollars. And I got in at $290 in March of 2019. And then I rode out the summer lows. Come about October so Q3 earnings report is when I went back above break even on Tesla. After hours, I think that was the first time they posted a surprise profit. And so that put me above break even. And that was really big. I was finally profitable on a trade I hadn't been profitable on for 7 months. So that was really big. And then out comes Cybertruck. The stock falls 6 to 7%, ends up falling 10% over the next weekish. And then comes beginning of December, end of November, beginning of December. And that's when the stock just shot up. I mean, there was no stopping Tesla stock. It went from 300 and something to 900 and something by mid-February. And it fell pretty quickly thereafter, and I sold in the $600 range So now it's right around double that. So I didn't sell as high as I could have and should have. But I was still pretty new to trading. I've learned a lot over the past 4 to 5 months now, and that's really helped me. So, over the past 4 to 5 months, I have swing traded Dave and Buster's stock. So, I can make a video going more in depth about that at a separate time. But swing trading Dave and Buster's stock was interesting. I almost bought in at its lows of like $4 and something, but I ended up not. So the first swing trade, I lost about a seventh of my account. That was big loss. But I knew what I did wrong and I was able to improve. So the second swing trade I took in Dave and Buster's, I turned it very profitable. And so what I did was I bought around the $13 area and sold around the 15-10 area. So you can do the math. And I made my account go from about 6,000 something up to 8,000 something. And my cost basis for that trade wasn't actually 13 something, but $13, I think it was like $13.60 was the break even for the losing Dave and Buster's trade too. So I got in the second time in the $11 range, and to break even on my previous trade, it'd be the $13 range. So that's what I said my cost basis was. Went up to $15. So I made a good amount of money off of that. Past month and a day, past 31 days, I've been day trading, which has definitely been an adventure. I started with like a $200 gain, then I was about flat, and then lost about, I don't know, it was probably a couple hundred, few $100. Really big loss, 3.5%, maybe a little more. And so after that, I said, okay, I have to change my strategy. So that loss had been after about 2 weeks of trading. I hit that loss. And the 2 weeks after, coming up to this Wednesday, every single day was profitable until yesterday, where I lost about 0.6%. And so the account growth over the past 2 weeks has been pretty good. If you want to know how I lost money, go check out that video. And if you got this far, please like, subscribe, comment. If you comment down below, I'll respond to your comments. And have a good day. Happy investing.